Hey everybody, welcome back to Rey Starz Reaction, where we react to the French Caribbean, Brazil Caribbean, Latin Caribbean, Afro Caribbean beats. Yes. So today we are going to react to a Haitian singer by the name of Bedjine. The title of the track is Ret Ak Tèt Mwen, which means that I can be with myself, I can stay by myself. Okay, I can be alone. I guess that's the idea. That's the gist of the title. So yeah, so today we are going to listen to Bedjine. Bedjine was referred to me by somebody else. She's one of the I would refer to as one of the new generation singers. Yeah. So this one is new for me. Let's get into it.
Piye sou yon bra ki pa solide, se pa kou nan desert sa. Avant ki son l'eau, kwen nou moun ki kwen nou lang son histoire vrai ou faux. Rete viv fra yon moun ki ap viv loin mo. Se internet sans bobo, sak makè yon pou, tout sa konen son couteau. Ou pito defisi mwen, ou benefisi yo. Ou pito pa mwen fi mwen, ou ba yo visa yo. M'pap jamble visa, metem chita pa la ven. M'ka blese m'pap mouri, si ou pa ven. Non, non, si ou pa reme. Ret ak tèt mwen chéri. Non, non, si ou pa bezwen. Ret ak tèt mwen chéri. Mwen pa bezwen yon couteau de bar. Ret ak tèt mwen chéri. Chéri. Ret ak tèt mwen chéri. Tapi tou et soufri pou m'kembe respect. Si m'te konen pa tam jambon, je paye skem. Ta pa ou yon mouveya, resme sa ou ta feti. Kout bonem ou te blemet pikan detres. Joué ou pa gagné, j'ai ou pa calé. Pouè modèle moun sa ou gay ou vle kite l'année. Ou joué ou pa gagné, mon cher ou pa calé. Ou tap ki ton dim sa, se wè ou tap wè de ma passé. Ouais, si ou pa remè. Ret ak tèt mwen chéri. Non, non, si ou pa bezwen. Ret ak tèt mwen chéri. Mwen pa bezwen yon couteau de bar. Ret ak tèt mwen chéri. Chéri. Ret ak tèt mwen chéri.
This is very beautiful. I really love her voice. She has a great voice, and you could tell she is a real singer. Yes. So none of that falsetto in the background. This is the real thing. Yes, she's a real singer. And I don't think I'm going to compare her to anybody else, like Whitney, or I should not say it, but she is Bedjine. She is, I think that sound is the kind of sound that will, the future people will say, so and so sounds like Bedjine, because that's a great voice right there. And the lyrics, beautiful lyrics as well. So she's saying to her man, if you don't love me anymore, it's okay. I can stay by myself. I can be with myself. If you don't need me anymore, it's okay. I can be with myself. I can take care of myself, if you know what I mean. Okay. Yes, great lyric, great track. Whoever's producing her tracks, great job as well. Yes. So let's get back into it. I really think that I found a live one. Bedjine, I think it's going to be one of my new favorite one that's going to be on my track list. Great job so far. All right, let's continue and listen what Bedjine is talking about, what she's saying to her man.
Bedjine. Suivre l'ombrage, ouais. Si l'amour fait tout nous bête faire, après vivre dans cage, ouais. Ni va me remettre, dépasse Simbi. Raison la vibre alpha, ouais. Succès dans chaque écriture. J'aimerais ta suivre, qui te suivre l'ombrage, ouais. Si l'amour fait tout nous bête faire, après vivre dans cage, ouais. Dépasse Simbi, raison la vie pral fort, ouais. Si que c'est dans chaque écriture. Si on pas aimer, non, non, si on pas besoin, pas besoin, un couteau de bord.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I gotta say, there's a little Patti LaBelle vibe in there. You can hear it, yes. But again, as I said, I think this voice, she has her own unique voice. But a little influence, a little Patti is there. I love Patti LaBelle. There's a little Patti there. Well, great job, Bedjine. You have a new fan right here at Rey Starz Reactions. All right, everyone. We'll see you on the next one. And please do not forget to like and subscribe. All right. Rey Starz saying, peace out.